to all. Sai Ram. Welcome you all in our maths class. So as you all know, we were doing the chapter number 6, that is integers. Today also we will follow the same chapter. We will do the part 2 for integers. Okay. First part we have already discussed. We are going to discuss today part 2. Okay. So let's discuss some points here. We have addition of integers on number line. Okay, means adding the numbers on number line. Okay, so what you all have to do, you have to first of all make a number line like this. This side you have to take positive integers. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with positive signs, with just a simple numbers. Here will be center is 0, that is neither positive or negative. And this side you have to take negative numbers. It means like on left hand side you have minus, that is negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that. Okay, yes. So now we have the number that is 3 plus 5. As you all know that 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so what you will do, you will start the number from 0. Okay, you will take from 0 to 3 directly. First you will take this number, that is 3. It means from 0 you have to take to the first number, that is 3. Yes, so it is, you will take directly to the 3. Now either you can take 5 steps, because we are doing 3 plus 5. So you can take 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will directly go to the 8. Otherwise you can do what? You can take from 0 to 3, that is first number we have. 0 to 3 you have taken first, and what is the answer your answer is coming? 8. So take from 3 to directly to the 8, and above that write plus 5. Okay, and this side you have to write plus 3, because you are taking from 0 to 3 you are taking, because 3 is the first number, and from 3, as you all know, the answer is 8. So you can take directly to the 3 and show upside plus 5. It means you have taken 5 steps. Okay, now moving to the next, we have 3 plus minus 5 equals to minus 2. Yes, so what I have told you, you have to first check the number, that is, this is also 3. First take from 0 to the 3 directly. Okay, now you have minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Okay, so what you can do is that you can take either this number or directly this number. Okay, so you can take from 3 to the direct minus 2, because the answer is minus 2, and you can show that you have taken minus 5 steps. It means you have gone to minus 5, means that is below, come. Okay, you can move to the 5 units back. Okay, 5 steps back. Yes, so we have minus 5. Now again we have a number, that is minus 3 plus minus 5, that is equals to 2. So first what you can do is that from 0 to you can take minus 3. So first you directly take from 0 to the minus 3. Okay, now answer is 2. So you can directly take from minus 3 to the 2, and below you have to show that you have taken plus 5 steps. It means you have to write plus 5 below. Okay, this is the easy method. Or you can take first 0 to minus 3, then you have to show plus 5 steps, so it will directly go to the 2. So it is easy for you, you have to do this way. Okay, so my dear students, let me tell you one thing, that is, if two numbers are given with plus sign, it means both are positive. Okay, this so the answer the solution which you are going to do is will also be positive. It means you will add the numbers. Okay, so plus is plus. If you are having a number plus minus, So what you are going to do with this is plus minus is minus. So you have to subtract the number. Okay, that will be minus. Now comes minus minus. If you have the number minus 2, minus 3, what you are going to do for them is you have to add the numbers. That is minus minus is plus. Okay. Now comes the, if you have the number like minus plus or plus minus. So what we are doing in plus minus or minus plus, we will do the same, that is we will subtract both the numbers. Like I am giving you one example. If you have let me tell you, if you have if you have minus 2 plus 3. So I have already told you that minus plus or plus minus is minus. तो 2 में से 3 गए या 3 में से 2 गए तो will remain 1. Okay, this is the priority. So this is the, in this way you can solve the solution. But the other thing is that you have to put the sign of which number? You have to put the sign of greatest number, that is 3 here. So we will not put plus sign because we usually don't show plus sign. So simply write 1. Okay. Now we have a next number, like I have told you, plus plus. So simply, you know, if you will plus 2 plus 3 is directly 5. Okay. It is easy. Now we will move to the next. We have minus 2 and minus 4. Both are minus. So I have told you, if both are minus, we will do the add. Minus minus is plus. So minus 2 minus 4 will be, हम दोनों को प्लस कर लेंगे, because इसका ये होता है that if two numbers are minus sign, we add the numbers. So minus minus is plus. So we have 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. Now second step is that which is the greatest number here? 4 is greater or 2 is greater? 4 is greater. So 4 is having which sign? 4 is having minus sign in front of it. Okay. So we will write here minus 6. So minus, the solution of minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. सबसे पहले हमें what you have to learn is, you have to learn what? Sorry, you have to learn plus plus is plus. अगर two numbers are with positive sign तो we will plus. Minus minus is plus. Then also we will do add, just like we have done now. If we have plus minus, then also we will do minus, because plus minus is minus. If we have minus plus, then also we will do minus. Okay. And the second most important thing is that you can do this is very easily, right? But the second important thing is that after doing this, you have to check the number which is greater, and after that you have to put the sign of that number in the answer. Okay. Now we have additive inverse. Additive inverse, as name itself says, that inverse means just opposite. When a positive integer and a negative integer such as 3 and minus 3 and 2 and minus 2 are added to each other, they give the sum 0, right? Yes, if you will add 3 and minus 3, what you will get? 0, right? Same way, they are called additive inverse. It means in which the two number solution is 0, they are the inverse of each other. Like if I am telling you what will be the additive inverse of 16. What is additive inverse? It means getting 0. How you will get 0? When you will subtract 16 by minus 16, right? So the additive inverse of 16 is minus 16. Okay. Yes. So now we will proceed. Yes. So now we are going to start the exercise 3.2 we have. Let's see here what is given. We have the first question. Using the number line, write the integer which is, see, it is very easy. It is given that Yes, it is given that 3 more than 5. Yes, so it is given 3 more than. It means more than means plus 3. More than किससे? 5. तो 5 plus 3 is 8. So it means you have to take 3 steps from number 5, like 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. So we have the answer here 8. Okay, from 5 you have to move. This is the number line. I am not writing 0 1 2 because as it is already given. So this is the 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. So it means 3 more than 5. It is the 8. Now we have the question number 2. 5 more than minus 5. It is given 5 more than minus 5. So my dear students, if it is a number line, this is the minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0 here. So it is given more than 5 more than minus 5. Where is minus 5? This is the minus 5. More than is where? Okay, first of all tell me, minus 5 is greater or minus 4 is greater? Minus 4 is greater. I have already discussed with you, if two numbers are negative, so the smaller number containing negative sign will be greater because it is very close to the 0. Or you can say the number which is very close to 0 will be more greater. Okay, yes. So it is telling 5 more than minus 5. So more than we will go from this side to this side. So 5 more than will means 5 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 more than minus 5 will lie where? It will lie on 0. Okay, it will lie on 0. This is the 0 here. Yes. So same way you can do all these rest of the questions. Now moving to the next. Okay, we have question number 2. Use number line and add the following integers. You have to add the integers. So let me first discuss with you. It is 9 plus minus 6. First we will do directly. Okay, now tell me plus minus क्या होता है? What is plus minus? Plus minus is minus. So plus minus is minus. So we have done here minus sign and we have written here 6. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, right? And which is the greatest number? That is 9. What is 9 containing in front of it? Nothing. It means it is plus sign. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so it means answer should lie on 3. It is the easy step to check your answer. Let's start. So I have already told you, you have to take first number, that is 9. So take from 0 to directly to the 9. Okay, after 9 what you have to do? You have to take 6 steps because it is minus 6. It means you have to move back. This side you have to move. You have to do less. So it means you have to take 6 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer here? 3 plus 3, right? So this is your answer. Same way you will do question number 2. We have 5 plus minus 11. So first of all tell me, plus minus is minus, 11 will come as it is, 5 will come as it is. Now it is plus sign here. So plus minus is, because nothing is here, it means plus sign is here. So plus minus is minus. 11 minus 6, 5 is 6, right? And what is the greatest number here? We have 11. So what is the sign in front of 11? That is minus. So we are going to put minus here. So we have the answer minus 6. So our answer is minus 6. सबसे पहले you have to follow the rule which I have discussed. After that what you have to do? You have to check the greatest number sign. So I hope you will do rest of the questions very easily. Yes. Now we move to the question number 3. We have add without using number lines. Okay, yes, simply you have to add. So let's start adding. First question is 11 plus minus 7, right? What we have to do is 11 plus minus is minus, 7 will come as it is. So 11 minus 7 is, it is 4. Okay, it is 4. What is the greatest number here? 11. What is the sign in front of 11 here? Nothing. It means it is positive. 11 means 7 you subtract, we get 4. Moving to the B part, minus 13 plus 18. So we have minus 13 plus is plus only. So we write here 18. Okay. Now plus minus or minus plus, sorry, minus plus or plus minus, both are minus only. It means you have to subtract 13 minus 18. Okay. So 13 minus 18 is what? 13 minus 18 is what? It is 5. And because biggest number here we have 18, so 18 is containing plus sign, so we are not going to show the plus sign, right? So next we have minus 10 plus 19. As you all know that minus 10 will remain as it is, plus ka plus will come and 19 will be here. Okay, right? Now plus minus is minus, so 19 minus 10 is 9. Okay, now which is the greatest number here? We have 19 greatest number. What is the sign in front of 19? That is plus, so we simply write 9 as the answer. Now moving to the question number 4, we have find the sum of 137. Sum it is saying, so you have to put plus sign yourself only, and minus 3 by 354. Okay, this is the question given to you. So what you will do? 137 plus minus is minus. You will write 354 as it is. Okay, now we have this only minus sign. It means we have to simply subtract. So 4 cannot subtract 7. You all know subtraction. So when you will subtract both the numbers, 354 you will put up and minus 137, so you will get 217, right? Subtraction you all know. And now next step is the number which is the greatest number. Just check the number, 137 or 354. 354 is the greatest number. Now check what is the sign containing 354. It is containing minus sign in front of it. It means answer will contain also minus sign. Now moving to the next, we have 52 and we have to do as it is minus 52 and 52. It means we have to do the sum. It is given in the question. So minus 52 and plus 52, what will be the answer? These both are additive inverse. Okay, both are having because both the solutions both, if we will do the solution for this, we will get the answer 0. It means both are additive inverse of each other. Okay, so minus 52 may say you have to subtract 52, you will get 0 because plus minus is 0. Sorry, plus minus is minus, so 52 minus 52 is always 0. Now we have the question number C part. Let's see this. We have 312, 39 and 192. So as you all know, we have to do the sum for this question. So what we will put here? It is already given minus. We will put plus sign here and again plus sign here. We will add all these three numbers. Now first of all check those who are having plus sign. These two the numbers which are positive. Okay, we will add both the numbers. This will come as it is, minus 132 will come as it is, 112 sorry, and plus is plus. So it will be 231. When we will add both the numbers, we will get 231, right? See, 9 plus 2 here is 13, 9, 11, 12. Sorry. It is 192, right? एक minute, just a minute. We will add 192 and 39. 9, 10, 11 carry 1. 9, 10, 13, 1 carry. It will be 231. If we will add both the numbers, we will get 231. So minus 312 and plus 231. So I have already told you that plus minus is minus. So it means you have to subtract both the numbers. Okay, you have to subtract both the numbers. So subtracted. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 cannot subtract 3. It will be 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. After that it is given him 1. It is remaining 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. It means answer is just 81. But answer is coming 81. So which is the biggest number here? We have 312 as biggest number. It is containing minus sign. So it will be, answer will be minus 81. Because at last we have to put the sign which is greater. Okay. Now moving to the question number 5. We have find the value of 137 and minus 34. See, it is given 137 minus 354. As you all know, it is given like this way. So what we will do, just this is the positive sign here, nothing is given, it means it is positive. Or you can write positive or you cannot, it is your choice. So what we will do, plus minus is minus. So we will subtract both the numbers, right? So subtract both the numbers. We have 354 minus 137. Okay, 4 minus 7 is 4 cannot subtract 7, it will become 14, so it will be 7 only. It has given him 1, so it will remain 4 here. 4 minus 3 is 1 again. It is 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 217. But we are having answer 217. But which is the greatest number from both of them? Which is the greatest number from both of them? From both of them, the greatest number is minus 54. And it is containing which sign? Minus. So answer will be also minus 217. Okay. So what we have to do? You have to do the solution for this yourself. Okay. It is given wrong in here. So you have to correct yourself. Like how I have told you. Yes. So now my dear student, the exercise 6.2 is over. Now we are going to start the exercise 6.3. It is very easy, very simple. So we will discuss the exercise 6.3 now. Yes. So 6.3 exercise we have the first question. Subtract 35 minus 20. It is very easy. When you subtract both the numbers, 35 minus 20, we have 15. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now the B part we have 72 minus 90. 72 minus 90. It cannot subtract 90. So 90 can subtract 72. It will be 0 minus 2 is 8. And it will remain 8. 1 it is given to him. So 8 minus 7 is 1. And which is the sign 90 is having here in the question? It is having negative sign here. So answer will also be negative because 90 is the greatest number here. Same way we have this third question, that is minus 15 and minus 18. Okay, right? We have minus 15 and minus is plus. So this will become plus 18. Okay, right? So now minus plus is minus. So 18 minus 5, 15 you do, kitna aega? It will come 3. Okay, but 3 will come, and which is the greatest number here? We have 18. 18 के आगे कौन सा sign है? It is positive. So answer will be directly only 3. Now moving to the next question number 2, we have fill in the blanks, greater, less or equal sign, right? So you can easily check. You have to solve this part and this part, then only you will be able to write the answer. Okay, see, as it is given, -3 plus -6 on left hand side. So -3 will be like this only, plus minus we have minus, that is 6. So minus minus is plus. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and which is the greatest number here? It is 6. And what is sign in front of 6? That is minus. So we have this minus 9. Left side we have minus 9. On right hand side what we have? -3 minus 6. Okay, so -3 minus plus 6, and 6 plus minus is minus, plus minus is minus, so 6 में से 3 गए, it will remain 3, and it will be 3 only directly. So as you all know, -9 is greater or 3 greater? 3 is greater. Okay, so it means right hand side is greater than left hand side. Okay, same way you can do rest of the questions. Now moving to the question number 3, we have fill in the blanks. First question we have -8 plus dash equals to 0. So it is very easy. -8 में आप how much you have to add to get 0? If you are having -8 chocolates, and how much you will add to eat to make it 0? You have to eat 8 chocolates, right? So because -8 and +8 is equals to 0. Now we have 13 plus equals to 0. If you are having 13 chocolates, how much you have to eat to make it 0? You have to eat -13 chocolate. It means puri ki puri you have to eat. Full complete chocolates you have to take. So -13 plus and -13, that will be 0. Same way, see question number C. We have 12 plus -12. So we have 12 plus minus is minus. So 12 minus 12 we have 0, right? Now see question number E. It is given that -15, and here we have what? It is -15, and here we have -10, right? So it is -15, it is -10, and here is blank. So what we will take? We will take -15 there. So it is -10 already written here. We will take -15 this side. The minus will become +15. So plus minus is minus. 15 minus 10 is 5. What is the greatest number here? We have 15 with positive sign. So we will not show positive sign. We will just write down at 5. Now we have the last question, that is find -7 -8 -25. So as you can see here, question is given. In second step we have taken -7 -8, and minus has become plus down. Okay, this side plus. So what they have taken in third step? They have taken -7 और -8 को उन्होंने ऐड कर दिया. That is -7 -8 will become 15, because minus is plus, and which is the greatest number? 8. So we will write -15. Negative sign we will write. So -15 and +25 is behind. So plus minus is minus. 25 minus 15 is 10. And what is the greatest sign? That is 25. That is positive sign. So we will not show. Okay. Now moving to the question number, okay, see B part. We have -13 plus 32 -8 -1. Okay, first we have write it as it is. -13 plus 32. We have solved -8 and -1. So as you know, minus is plus. So 8 plus 1 is 9. And what is the sign will come here? Because 8 is greater number containing negative sign, so it will be -9. It is given here -9. Now coming to the last step, we have third step, that is -13 will come as it is plus. Now see this we have solved. -32 and plus 32 and -9. So we have plus minus. 32 minus 9 is 23, and 32 is the greatest sign, so we are putting here plus sign in front of 23, right? Now in the last step we have we have in last step, that is this minus 13 and plus 23, right? So plus minus is minus, so 23 minus 13 is 10. Which is the greatest number? We have 23, so we will put the sign of positive, that we are not putting. Okay. Question number C, we have minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 90. So you can see plus and minus 8. So first we will solve these two equations. Minus 7 plus minus is minus 8. So minus minus is plus. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Which is the greatest number we have? 8. So we will put minus 15. Okay. So minus 15 we have, and then we have plus minus 90. So plus minus is minus, it will be minus 90. Okay. Now check, minus minus is plus. So 90 plus 15 is 105, right? Now which is the greatest number we have? 90 greatest number. What is the sign 90 is containing? That is negative. So we will put minus sign here, minus 105. Same way, I hope you can complete the exercise. It is very easy. If you will practice the chapter number 6, it is very easy, very interesting. But just what you have to remember is that you have to remember that plus plus is plus, plus plus दो numbers होंगे तो we will add the numbers. अगर minus minus दो number होंगे like minus 2 and minus 3 तो we will add the numbers because minus minus plus होता है. And lastly what you have to do, you have to put the solution with negative or positive sign according to the greatest number sign. Okay, then we have plus minus is minus. If it is given 32 minus 8, so we will do minus. Okay, if it is given plus minus, minus plus, if it is given minus plus, so then also we will do minus. Okay, it means plus minus is also minus and minus plus is also minus. Okay, these are the things which you have to understood. Otherwise the full chapter is very easy. Practice it and prepare for the exam.